Hey everybody, it's me, Duolingo. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Haha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are Miska, Małezka, Duolingo. Say it with me. Miska, Małezka, Duolingo.
Duolingo. It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo's Clubhouse. Roll call. Diego, Leo, Lily, Floof Dog, Boo, Girlingo, Duolingo.
Right here.
It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo.
It's the Duolingo's clubhouse. Trash bird.
Oh my god, Floof Dog, how dare you, that's it. Oh my god, Floof Dog, how dare you be mean to Pip.
Hi, I'm Olive.
Oh my god, Olive, how dare you, that's it.
Floof Dog. Diego, Leo, I like Floof Dog.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Diego, Leo, you are in timeout.
Yay. Also, I'm going to fog you up enemies.
Oh my god, Diego, Leo, and Floof Dog, how dare you, that's it. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot diggity dog. Now we got cheers. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day, what you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog. We're slipping the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Duolingo.
That's me.
And the Duolingo's Clubhouse.
See you soon guys, haha.